Yeah, it's gonna get ugly. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I always say I got bars, now I'm sour. That means I'm a king and Botalam Danchava. Leshando Shava is a gift from God and it came as a present. Just because I said I'm a king, this rappers means the bars ever catch at the feelings. If they really caught the bars but twist at the meaning, they will really understand what it takes to be a king. Kambe sweswo mina ntela ngiswona mina ndlwela vuhosi and hayi ku va hosi mina aka tiko ni kha ni komba vuswikoti ni tlhela ni mi nyika tinsimu ngaku ni wa le vukhosini. Van'wani va lava scheme, so I break it down in tinsimu ta mina like Miela Tsonga rap really. How I got it move, never push out the man. I'm a kid from the popo with a dream like that. Like the music I'm Yenzo Jongo like I'm poetry pastor. Wanna teach me how to dap? Let me teach you how to rap. Some of you are lacking basic like call me network. Some of you are empty teens cause you ain't ambitious. Some of you me try to put out cause your fans is reporter. Hey, baboons, shilaba ko improve, but do I have to bring it back? Cause I'm in trying to dance now. Aye, money huma can win. If you want good music, hey, chiga kahin. Nimbiz, I am feel what I cooked this up to me. Na doctor, she knew that my music now told me. And ever since he said that, damn the pressure. But well, I'm a jam when I cook well under pressure. So when I drop gems, some suffer cause I bear real June, July. Competition, it comes in, it got about July. Like, cause it won't know what you're giving Umaka wo foot in my go, hey, I ain't getting in. Hey, Minati is Sanjivli, your beat carry weight, that's a bag, yeah, skill, manufacture punchlines, tell my songs to steam, I'm one stop on the table like I'm James Gaffney. Hey, Vavin is sick like I'm Kuzangi Murowe, James Guevara, Hey, I'm coming up my time. You already know, man. I hype myself.